Here is how to transfer Google Authenticator codes from one device to another. So let's get started. First, go to the device from which you want to transfer the codes and click on the three lines which are on the top right. Then click on Transfer Codes. Select Export Codes. Put your fingerprint. And here you have to select the codes which you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all, then just click on Next. And as you can see, they've given us a QR code. Now the next thing we have to do is go to the device to which we want to transfer the codes, and again click on the three lines on the top right. Click on Transfer Codes, and this time select Import Codes. Just click on Scan QR Code, and now let's scan this QR code. And here, as you can see, all the codes have come. So now on the old device, just click on Next. And we have two options. We can either remove the exported codes or keep them. For now, I'll just keep them and click on Done. And now it's done. The same codes are on both devices. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to export passwords from one device to another, check out this video. Goodbye.